The Play-Doh Sweet Shop Candy Cyclone from Hasbro. Now kids can make believe they are running their own candy shop, cranking, rolling, and stamping tons of colorful pretend candy treats. Roll out a log of Play-Doh compound and drop it into the top of the candy cyclone. Use the crank to make lots of colorful Play-Doh gumballs. Place your Play-Doh gumballs into the candy stamper to make 10 different silly candy treats. You can also drop your Play-Doh gumballs into the extruder to squeeze out pretend licorice. Then wrap it around your pop sticks to create colorful Play-Doh lollipops. Kids can mix and match the different colors of Play-Doh so their candy shapes are a swirl of colors. The Play-Doh Candy Cyclone is for kids aged 3 and up and comes with crank and stamper, extruder, plastic knife, 2 dishes, 4 pop sticks, and 4 cans of Play-Doh modeling compound. Adult assembly is required. Product and colors may vary. The Play-Doh Sweet Shop Candy Cyclone from Hasbro.